every dream begins with a single decision. A decision to learn, a decision to grow.
You work so hard for everyone else, but when was the last time you invested with your own dreams?
And what if one decision today could change the direction of your future?
A decision to become the person you've always wanted to be. But every journey needs the right place to begin. A place that believes in your potential. Even before you believe in yourself. At ICSA, we don't just offer courses, we create opportunities. For the OFW chasing a better future. For the working professional aiming for a promotion. For the dreamer who's ready to start again. Whether you dream of building the next generation of technology through our UK Diploma in Information Technology, protecting businesses and digital systems with our Diploma in Cybersecurity course, creating websites and applications through web development and web designing programming, or unlocking the power of data through our SQL Data Analyst course. Your journey into the digital world starts here. Maybe your passion lies in creativity. Turn your ideas into visual masterpieces through graphics designing with artificial intelligence integration. Create engaging content with video editing, or help businesses grow through social media marketing and social media advertisement, where creativity meets strategy in today's digital world. Perhaps your dream is to design the future. Bring architectural ideas to life with AutoCAD 2D and 3D with artificial intelligence integration. Create a stunning visual concept using SketchUp with the integration of artificial intelligence. Design intelligent buildings through Revit. Or produce realistic architectural visualizations with 3D Studio Max. If technology is your passion, our hardware maintenance program equips you with practical skills to build, troubleshoot, and maintain computer systems that power businesses every day. Want to build a successful career in administration and office operations? Our computer secretarial course develops essential computer, administrative, and office skills that employers are looking for. Take your leadership and organizational abilities to the next level with our office management course designed to prepare future office administrators, executive assistants, supervisors, and professionals who keep organizations running efficiently. Whether you're starting your career or aiming for a promotion, these programs provide the confidence, professionalism, and practical workplace skills needed to succeed in today's modern business environment. Need to improve your confidence in communication. Our English enhancement with IELTS preparation course helps you strengthen your English proficiency and prepares you for international academic and career opportunities. Looking for a meaningful career in healthcare or caregiver? Our Diploma in Health and Social Care prepares compassionate professionals to make a difference in people's lives. Passionate about business and leadership? Our UK Diploma in Business Management and Diploma in Accounting and Finance develop the knowledge and leadership skills needed to succeed in today's competitive world. Dreaming of working remotely? Our virtual assistant course equips you with the practical and demand skills for today's global digital workplace. Or perhaps your passion is creating unforgettable experiences. Our UK Diploma in Hospitality and Tourism Management prepares you for exciting careers in hotels, resorts, tourism, and customer service across the globe. Dreaming of joining the aviation industry? Our airline ticketing course provides hands-on training in airline reservations, ticketing systems, and travel services. If your goal is to work in airports, our airport training course prepares you for careers in airport operations, passenger services, and ground handling, opening the door for exciting opportunities in aviation. Because education is more than earning a certificate or diploma. It's about building confidence, developing practical skills, unlocking new opportunities, and creating a better future for yourself and your family. Every classroom is filled with possibilities. Every lesson brings you one step closer to your goals. Every graduate is a proof that dreams really can become reality. Today, they are certified caregivers, healthcare professionals, IT specialists, cybersecurity professionals, web developers, data analysts, graphic designers, video editors, digital marketers, social media specialists, architectural designers, CAD professionals, computer technicians, office professionals, business leaders, virtual assistants, hospitality professionals and tourism specialists, airline ticketing professionals, aviation professionals, and successful individuals making a difference around the world. They all started with one simple decision to begin. No matter your age, no matter your background, no matter where you are in the world, it's never too late to learn. It's never too late to grow. It's never too late to change your future because your success is our greatest achievement. Your future starts today with ICSA, your partner in success.
My name is Diane Jones G. Villar.
Ako si Axel Evangelista.
So, I'm Benjamin.
Ako si Bernadette Vera. Ako po si Rizal Guevara.
I am Rhea Ataylar.
Ako po si Mary Jean Gono.
Ako po si Jovelyn De Velos. Ako po si Gian, ang nagsasabing ICSA, your partner in success.